Welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to connect your Twilio number to chatbot.ai using AudioCodes with a SIP connection for a seamless voice automation. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Now, the question you may be asking is, why even do this? Well, you see, in short, Twilio gives you cloud flexibility, while AudioCodes gives you advanced routing control. And together, they make sure that your calls reach your AI chatbot smoothly. Now, with that answered, the first thing you want to do is have Twilio open and AudioCodes open, right? AudioCodes Live Hub right here. And I'm also going to leave a link down below for this documentation right here, connecting Twilio Elastic SIP trunking to Live Hub. Now, this is a very detailed step-by-step walkthrough, and there are maybe one or two different areas where you might get a little bit confused and need to go back and make sure you've really done the right thing. So I will make a video on this as well. But for the most part, this is a very easy, comprehensive guide. Now, what you want to do is, first, you need to make sure that you have a Twilio number. So in your Twilio, you want to go over to Phone Numbers, Manage, and Buy a Number. Then from this tab right here, you can choose the country, the capabilities, and then also choose which number it is that you would like to buy. Once you have bought a number, that's the first step done. Then you want to head on over to AudioCodes and click on SIP Connections. So from here, what you want to do is add new SIP connection. I've already done one, but you're going to follow the detailed instructions that is included in the documentation. It will tell you what name to enter, type, provider, region. In my case, I've chosen USA, and all of the other things such as incoming, outgoing, number, and under info. So you will have all of the step-by-steps for this. Now, once you have created it, you will receive this, a little green over here that says keep a live status connected. Now, when it's time to do this for your Twilio account, you want to come into your Twilio account and type in Elastic Zip, and you will find it right here in the middle, Elastic SIP Trunks. Simply click on it. Then from here, it will be empty. Just click on Create New SIP Trunk, and then follow the detailed documentation. So this is going to show you how to create your SIP connection in Live Hub, which is AudioCodes. It's then also going to show you how to configure Twilio Elastic SIP trunking right here. And then it's going to show you how to update SIP connection in Live Hub. Now, once you've completed all of that, you should be all good to go. You can check your active number, and it should show you right here, Voice SIP Trunk AudioCodes. So it's all good. That means you've done everything correctly. Then what you want to do is head back over to AudioCodes, and you want to connect your bot. So here you will click on Add a new voice bot. I've already done this. You click on Add a new voice bot. I'm going to walk you through these steps. You can click on AudioCodes Bot API, click Next. Then for the bot name, you can have right there, and bot URL. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get this bot URL. Okay, so for the bot URL, what you want to do is head on over to your CBB account. Right, there's a section on the left called Documentation. Now click on that, and you want to search here AudioCodes. It will then redirect you to the AudioCodes Voice Automation with AudioCodes Documentation. Simply click on that and scroll down until you find the here. Wonderful. You're going to grab this and put it into a notepad. And this is the method that I use. All right. So in this URL, you can see these two at the bottom, ACC, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and ABCD. This is the important part. Now from here, let's say this is the account, the CBB account that you want to have this set up to, connected to. You'll click on Settings, and you will get your account ID and also your account key. So simply click on Settings under the General tab, scroll all the way to the bottom, and then get your account ID from here, Control-C to copy, and just where the 1, 2, 3, 4 is, paste it right in there, just like that. Then the account key, I'm going to copy this as well, and just where it says ABCD, I'm going to paste it right in there. And now you have the URL. You want to copy this and head back on over to AudioCodes. The bot URL is right here. Done. As for the tokens, you can put in 1, 2, 3, and then choose the region. So I'm going to choose USA. And then validate the bot configuration. You'll get a little green pop-up here that says it's all good. I'm not going to do this because I already have done this, but you can take my word for it. So let's just close out of this one. All right, so once you have this, let's click on Edit. You can do additional settings, Right, so you will have this all set up. As you can see, I've already done this. The bot framework is AudioCodes Bot API, the name, the URL, the token, the region. Now on the bot settings, now these are the ones that I've chosen, is text-to-speech service Google, speech-to-text service Google, language English, and then voice name. I've chosen this one right here. You can choose different languages here. Then you can have additional settings such as barge in that allows you to interrupt the Voicebot. So as the Voicebot is rambling on or talking, you can just start talking to it and it'll stop, just like the advanced voice model that we've seen. DT is, I believe, the tone, dial tone. I haven't used this one yet, but yes. And then simply click on update. So I'm gonna close this one because I already have done this, okay? Then the next step is routing. So you're gonna head on over to routing. Let me just remove this notepad here. Great. So now that we're here in routing, what we want to do is click on add new routing rule, right? In this case, I'm just going to do it and cancel it, but add new routing rule, region USA. We're going to do call first, and then from zip connection Twilio, routing to our bot with live hub recording enabled, and then create. Close this, yes. And then you will do the same for transfer. So as you can see, I got one here for call, or one here for transfer. So click on edit, USA, type transfer, transfer by Twilio, call destination CBB, test, this is what I've named it, and live hub recordings. Perfect. And then that's it. Now all you gotta do is ensure that you have connected your bot already through the bots up here. You wanna go back over to your account. You wanna head over to channels and voice and click connect. Now I'm going to head on over to phone numbers, my Twilio number, and I'm going to copy this number right here. Then we're going to head back to our CBB account, click on audio codes and paste it right in there. Click continue and that will connect it. Success. Now from here, a very important and crucial step is that you must select a welcome message for that particular channel, otherwise it will not work. So let's head back over to settings, channels, voice right here, and welcome message. We're going to just select a welcome message. In this case, make sure you click save and you're all good. Now, I hope this video was helpful. I will also make a video on this one right here, the documentation of connecting Twilio Elastic Zip Trunking to Live Hub, the step-by-step, just following it along and having it done. I hope this will help others out there. And if you have any questions, you can drop them down in the comment section below. Also, join us in our Facebook group and our Discord community. Links also will be down in the description below. And this particular documentation, you can also find it below. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you in our community. Happy building.